ప్లీజ్ వెల్కమ్ సార్. అండ్ ఒక్కసారి ప్లీజ్.
Hello, good evening everyone. I wish best of luck for Madhura Sridhar, Madhura Entertainments and Harprasad Reddy Garu and Vikrant and Chandini Chaudhary. I know Sridhar from quite some time, almost 20 years, the journey with Sridhar. Always I've been there in Sridhar's passion. For every endeavor, I was the supporting Sridhar a lot. And best of luck, Sanjeev, for you. You did good work, and all the best for Santana Praptaristu team. Thank you very much.
థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. అండ్ ఇప్పుడు వేదిక పైకి వాళ్ళ బెస్ట్ విషెస్ని అందించవలసిందిగా